bayong pipanganan ng mibuklat kay Clark king first quarter ng 2026. Metong yang first French restaurant ay ni-report ng Patricia Mamao.
Metong bayong culinary destination ing siguradong antabayanan King Clark kay batning groundbreaking ceremony ning Chez Suzette Philippines metong a French restaurant akilala king karelang authentic French cuisine. Ing aktibidad, peni mo nandereng makibandi ning restaurant adin na founder at director Suzette Simon, Jonathan Thinggood, ing founder at F&B director, Edward Mangulabnan, ing corporate secretary, Kayabe, Clark Development Corporation President Agnes VST Devanadera. Makasadyayang mibuklat ing Chez Suzette, King Pilipinas, King first quarter ning 2026 bilang pekamumunang branch King bansa, kay batning matagumpeng flagship store, King Singapore. Agpangkang Suzette Simon kapag nasaning expansion na idala ing lasa ning Paris, King puso ning Central Luzon kapamilatan ning rustic yet elegant dining experience. Ing proyekto, i-design at italakadya kasan metong ing PCBT Design Construction king pamanimuna ning CEO Ferdinand Tiongson. King modernong barn-inspired design at signature French flavors, asahan na ing Chez Suzette Philippines maginyang bayong paboritong spot para kareng foodies at travelers, King Clark. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang totoo, King Balen, susuyo.